Welcome to InfoZillion.
Welcome to the U.S. Capitol Quiz. In this brain-teasing challenge, we will put your knowledge to the test. Challenge yourself, compete with your friends, or simply have fun. Please comment your scores, like and subscribe InfoZillion videos. Best of luck! What is the capital of Alabama? Montgomery. What is the capital of Alaska? Juneau. What is the capital of Arizona? Phoenix. What is the capital of Arkansas? Little Rock. What is the capital of California? Sacramento. What is the capital of Colorado? Denver. What is the capital of Connecticut? Hartford. What is the capital of Delaware? Dover. What is the capital of Florida? Tallahassee. What is the capital of Georgia? Atlanta. What is the capital of Hawaii? Honolulu. What is the capital of Idaho? Boise. What is the capital of Illinois? Springfield. What is the capital of Indiana? Indianapolis. What is the capital of Iowa? Des Moines. What is the capital of Kansas? Topeka. What is the capital of Kentucky? Frankfort. What is the capital of Louisiana? Baton Rouge. What is the capital of Maine? Augusta. What is the capital of Maryland? Annapolis. What is the capital of Massachusetts? Boston. What is the capital of Michigan? Lansing. What is the capital of Minnesota? St. Paul. What is the capital of Mississippi? Jackson. What is the capital of Missouri? Jefferson City. What is the capital of Montana? Helena. What is the capital of Nebraska? Lincoln. What is the capital of Nevada? Carson City. What is the capital of New Hampshire? Concord. What is the capital of New Jersey? Trenton. What is the capital of New Mexico? Santa Fe. What is the capital of New York? Albany. What is the capital of North Carolina? Raleigh. What is the capital of North Dakota? Bismarck. What is the capital of Ohio? Columbus. What is the capital of Oklahoma? Oklahoma City. What is the capital of Oregon? Salem. What is the capital of Pennsylvania? Harrisburg. What is the capital of Rhode Island? Providence. What is the capital of South Carolina? Columbia. What is the capital of South Dakota? Pierre. What is the capital of Tennessee? Nashville. What is the capital of Texas? Austin. What is the capital of Utah? Salt Lake City. What is the capital of Vermont? Montpelier. What is the capital of Virginia? Richmond. What is the capital of Washington? Olympia. What is the capital of West Virginia? Charleston. What is the capital of Wisconsin? Madison. What is the capital of Wyoming? Cheyenne.